Dozens of residents evacuated from a senior living facility are waking up in a local fire hall this morning. They were forced out of their homes by a water main break. Megan Schiller is live with an update on when those people will be able to return to their homes, and they will get a warm meal at least this morning. Megan.
Good morning. A total of 72 people found themselves without a place to stay last night. 52 of them wound up at the Kennedy Township Volunteer Fire Department behind me. And I did just check in with the Red Cross. She said that everyone, or at least the majority of them, are still sleeping, but they did have special cots brought in because the majority of them are elderly. Also any snacks, and they're going to bring in breakfast for them to have in a little bit this morning as they try to figure out exactly what they're going to do, what the game plan is. We do know that it was a water main break yesterday afternoon that caused all of this. It happened at the Willows assisted living facility, and it flooded part of the kitchen area and a couple other rooms nearby with water. That meant 72 people needed a place to stay, and a couple of them were in pretty serious condition. Take a listen to what a Red Cross volunteer had to tell us.
Breakfast for them in the morning, and I'm sure in the morning they will reevaluate where they are and what we can do, because I know especially with the elderly, they don't want them to be here in a shelter for long periods of time.
She also said that when it comes to keeping them comfortable throughout the course of the night, they brought in special medical cots, which she described as a little bit more comfortable than your traditional cots. She also said normally they put one blanket or two blankets on each cot for someone that needs a place to stay, but they brought in extra blankets throughout the course of the night and also for this morning with the temperatures being so cold. They hope to have a meeting around 7 o'clock this morning, and then from there they'll figure out what exactly to do and how much longer everyone will be here. The repairs hope to wrap up around 7 this morning. Reporting live, I'm Megan Schiller, KDKA News.